Want to earn money even while you sleep? These 5 AI tools are turning regular people into digital entrepreneurs, and you can start using them today for free. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. You can use it to write blogs, create YouTube scripts, answer emails, or even run a customer support chatbot, all without lifting a finger. Freelancers are using it to automate their services and earn more in less time. Tool number 2, Canva's Magic Studio. This AI-powered design suite lets you create stunning graphics with just a few words. People are using it to sell templates on Etsy, create social media packages, or even run a faceless design agency. Tool number 3, Runway ML. Whether you want to make faceless YouTube shorts or automate your TikTok content, this tool turns text into video with zero editing experience required. Some are even offering this as a service. Tool number 4, Notion AI. You can write full blog articles, create product descriptions, or manage your content calendar, all in one workspace. Great for solopreneurs who want to stay organized and productive. Tool number 5, Opus Clip. Take any long-form video, and this tool instantly turns it into viral-ready short clips with captions and jump cuts. Perfect for content repurposing without any editing skills. These tools aren't just smart, they're income machines. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered money tips.